In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in Microsoft Outlook or change the profile. Creating or switching profiles in Microsoft Outlook is a helpful way to manage different email setups or resolve common issues. Each profile works independently, meaning it has its own settings, accounts, and data, and only one profile can be active at a time. This makes profiles especially useful when troubleshooting or organizing multiple accounts. To get started, open the Start menu on your computer and type in Control Panel, then click to open it. Once you're inside the Control Panel window, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a setting labeled View By. Click on it and select large icons so that all available options are easier to find and navigate. Next, look for the Mail option. In some cases, you may notice more than one mail icon. If that happens, don't worry. Simply open each one until you find the version that includes Profile Settings. Once you've opened the correct Mail Settings window, click on Show Profiles. At this point, a list of all existing Outlook profiles on your computer will appear. This is where you can manage, create, or switch between profiles. To create a new one, click the Add button. You'll then be asked to provide a name for your new profile. Choose a name that helps you easily identify it. Then click OK to continue. After that, you'll have the option to add an email account to this new profile. If you're ready, you can go ahead and enter your account details. If not, you can simply skip this part by clicking Cancel, and then confirm by clicking OK on the prompt that appears. Once your new profile has been created, you'll return to the Profiles window. Here you can choose which profile Outlook should use. Select your preferred profile from the drop-down menu, then click OK to save your selection. Now, when you open Outlook, it will load using the profile you selected, allowing you to access its specific settings and accounts. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.